asunto-osakeyhtiö Talvikkipolku.
And today is the 22nd of May 2023. We have Lummetie, Nekkrosvägen 13, staircase B. We just built the staircase C here. We'll go to the staircase A soon. It's also here in Tikkurila, Vantaa, Vantaa region, modernized Finland. This was also built in 1989 by Valmet Otis with Otis Series 1 fixtures. They're 30 years old in 2019. The number is B1 in the 0459 and it's going to be inspected this year in 2023. And the capacity is 4 bursts of 3.5 grams. It has house 2 rides and it has amazing sounds and it's fast enough for 4 floors. Just about the 3rd floor line is broken.
Yeah. Iskuttiin kiva iskuttaa, että maintained by Espoon hissi.
Yeah. And the warning sign is in the both official languages here,
Yeah.
as it should be. Yeah, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Let's go to the second side here. You can also take a seat here as well.
That's